Here is how we can completely reset our Instagram algorithm. If you're seeing a bunch of content on Instagram which you're not interested in, then resetting your algorithm will fix the problem. Let's open our Instagram app and go over to your search bar. You'll want to delete all of your recent searches because this will influence the recommendations and all those other things. So tap the See All option, then Clear All, and then confirm your decision by clicking Clear All one more time. Our search history is completely deleted, so we can continue with the next step. Go over to the Reels section. Now open the Reels algorithm page by clicking on this icon at the top right corner. And you're going to see a list of things that they're showing you, what they think you might like, and so on. Let's say I don't want to see videos of California in my Reels section. All I have to do is to long press on that keyword and then remove interest. You'll want to repeat this step a couple of times if you see interests on this page, which you don't want to see in your Instagram app. And you can also add a topic under the what you want to see less of, if you want to tell the algorithm what not to show you specifically. And the third and last step of resetting our algorithm is to tap on the three dots. Click on More Content Preferences, Reset Suggested Content, and now follow the on-screen instructions. This step will completely refresh your recommendations, meaning Instagram will stop relying on your old activity and start learning your preferences again from scratch. After you confirm the reset, your feed, Reels, and Explore page might feel a little random at first, and that's normal. From here on, everything you like, watch, skip, or interact with will retrain the algorithm. So make sure you engage with content you actually enjoy and ignore or scroll past the stuff you don't want to see anymore.